Jatend Migao mar omenda ngire Njuguna Ndung'u koro goyo bade piny kendo wacho ni sirkal ni kamarach korka chudo mar osara kod chwalo omenda madhi aguche mag dongruok kaka NGCDF kod mamoko bende. Njuguna mane ochopo e nyim od bura ywak ni sani agulu oduono kendo choko mar Kenya ok nyal dino fuok manitiere kaluwore gi gope mathoth ma Kenya chulo seche mowueni. Jafwambo marwa Walter Nyambaga miyo walere wi ng'anyo ma pod okwako od bura ka jo od bura bandho pesa.
Banjo od bura ng'anyo kendo rocho chenro mag twak odiochieng' manyoro kagi sundo piny owacho mondo chwal ne giomenda mar NGCDF.
The government is always supporting their executive programs to the detriment of CDF. So what we are saying is that we have suspended all sittings, all government businesses until CDF is expanded to our schools.
Jatend Migao mar omenda ngire Njuguna Ndung'u odhi nyadieri ne jo od bura ni omenda mar NGCDF ma kuonde chung' ute bura to pod onge kendo gimed mana rido kanda kod rito. Bende yangore ni biro bedo matek ne sirkal kata chulo sa jotije sirkal e kinde mag sikuku.
We have not got CDF money. The children are going to school in January, and most of the children, they depend on these the bursaries from CDF. Maybe you can give us a statement on that.
I can tell you, we are even having trouble with salaries. I was even called by the governor in Nairobi County telling me that, look, I'm going to be impeached. What are we going to do? I have not given salaries. You can imagine it's...
Nyim komiti marango weche mag omenda, Njuguna ogo bade piny sirkal ofuko nene nono. Kalore ni giketo maine chulo gope mag pinje ma oko, kabende choko mar osuru, bende poko dino fuok mantiere.
Why I feel concerned much is that the background of what is happening makes people wonder why we cannot even get CDF as we were doing before the current regime.
We are struggling just to be on the same position. And that's why we actually, that's the same message I had in Marrakech, was that we are facing a serious liquidity crisis, and that is why we can't come in as fast as we would like to. But it's not a solvency problem. But sometimes people are rushed to say we want the money today, otherwise you are dead on arrival. Sorry for using that word. But you end up taking measures. We cannot default on external debt because our credibility is going to be ruined.
Magiti mure sama od bura mar Senate bende ong'anyo yore twak mane ochan e kind senators kod jatend Migao mar pur kod pith Mithika Linturi.
Why I say I'm disappointed is because when I got the invitation to appear, I prepared myself adequately to respond to the issues that were raised. But I have been here from 9:30 because 9:30 was the appointed time, and the senators have not been able to raise quorum.
Senators, edwarne mondo chwal negi pesa mar rango kaka itayo tije mag counties.
We needed 15 people minimum to raise the quorum. But the problem, I think even the senators are not happy with the financial issues they had. You know, we have got oversight money that has not been disbursed.
Senators kod jo od bura penjore kama omenda mag osuru michoko itero e kachutho to sirkal omedo choko mag osuru pachoka.
Maseneta hivi sasa wamekasirika sana, na ndi sababu ya kukasirika ni kwa sababu najua kumekuwa na mikakati mingi. Senators wanaona shida sana kuoperate, but when their demands are not met, you don't expect them to also cooperate.
Jakuremoga joang pesa ber kendo pesa raj ketho nyakosiep. Jo od bura opogore paro kod bad Migao mar omenda kama Profesa Njuguna Ndung'u okone lwetgi ne nono gi sechegi kendo omenda minyal chwal ne kuonde chung' ute buche bedo manok. Jopiny openjore to koro gidwa seyo jo od bura koso gibiro seyo piny owacho. Walter Nyambaga, Ramogi TV. Lere mar od bura, Nairobi.
Bad Migao marango